Hollywood and the supernatural. Now, we have two recent scientific studies concerning the future. One very short-term, the other long-term. The one report for short-term prognostication involves, first of all, 63 individuals who were asked to predict who would be the next person to call them on the phone. Now, this was conducted by Dr. Rupert Sheldrake from Trinity College at Cambridge, and the individuals were given 4 choices of friends or relatives who were then contacted, and one randomly called each of the 63 subjects. By mere chance, individuals had a 1 in 4 opportunity of guessing who was calling. Their result was 45%, almost double that. He also conducted a similar experiment regarding emails with 50 other subjects. And again, 25% would have been mere chance. They again had about a 45% accuracy rate. In other words, there's only a 1 in 1 trillion chance that this was mere chance working, seeming to indicate that some people may have an innate sense of prophetic ability, at least able to predict who would call next. He's now conducting an experiment with text messaging on cell phones. Any report on that, and you'll hear it first on our show. That seems to indicate, at least in a scientific study, people have some type of innate precognitive ability. Now, for the other study, this regards long-term prophecy and was conducted by Dr. Chet Snow, involving 2,500 subjects. Now, this was based on the idea that reincarnation is the reality. But instead of hypnotically regressing them to a former incarnation, he hypnotically progressed them to future lives. And there were basically 2 time periods, 2100 to 2200 AD, and then 2300 AD and beyond. For the 2100 to 2200 period, individuals overall saw 4 basic living patterns for humans. Some humans were now living in space colonies, on other planets, or perhaps in space stations orbiting Earth. You had another group of New Agers who were living in communes in the mountains and deserts. A third group were living in the rubble of major cities which had been devastated by some sort of catastrophe, such as perhaps an asteroidal impact, or plague, or world war. And then there's a 4th group living in modern cities that were high-tech, or individuals living under the ocean in dome cities. But in each case, they had advanced technology such as jetpacks to move about instead of cars. Now, for the more advanced period, 2300 and beyond, apparently we had developed the ability to teleport individuals, because humans were now going to planets beyond our solar system and encountering advanced aliens, most of whom were friendly and sharing their high-tech technology with us. Now, of course, we're going to have to wait to see if these prognostications are mere fiction or actual fact. But 2 types of prognostication involved here: short-term prophecy and long-term prediction.
Now, until next time, may the power of the cosmos and of the future be with you. Yes, yes, yes.